Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to watch deleted YouTube videos using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and now just go ahead and search for archive.org. Okay, now just click enter. And now here at the text box at the upper part of your screen, you want to type youtube.com. Again, click enter. So now here at the calendar section, you can see all of your history or the videos that you watched on YouTube. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the date that you watch that video. Okay, so now the second way you can do is to exit on this website and search for youtube.com. Okay, so this way is not 100% will work. Okay, so it really depends on the creator that made the video or the deleted video. So now just go ahead and search for the creator's name. So for example, PewDiePie. So just go ahead and search for his profile, or you can just go ahead and add deleted video. So now you can see all of the deleted videos of PewDiePie. Okay, so you can do this in any creator that you want, but as I said, this won't work 100%. Okay, and that's it. That is how you watch a deleted video on YouTube. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.